Colombia. Oh, nice to meet you. I know about your country well because I love football. And do you know James Rodriguez?
Yes. Falcao, the Tiger.
Yes. So, so that's why I know about your country because sometimes I follow your football players. So can you guess where I am from?
What?
Can you guess where I am from?
India.
Oh, very close to India. I'm not Indian, but I'm very close. I'm from Bangladesh.
Have no players.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
So do you know about my country? Do you know about my country?
Bangladesh. No, bro. Nothing.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh next to India.
Okay.
So what time is it over there?
The question. She or she?
Yeah,
She or she?
yeah. She red color.